Hello friends, welcome to Spice Code. Today's recipe, vegetable pulao. Ingredients: 2 cups of rice soaked in 4 cups of water for nearly 1 hour or minimum 30 minutes. In vegetables, we will be using 12 to 15 baby carrots, 1 big potato cut into wedges, half cup of green peas, 1 medium size of green capsicum finely sliced. Spices for tempering or tadka will be 1 medium size of onion finely sliced, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 heaped teaspoon of zira, that is cumin seeds, 6 to 7 green chilies slit from the middle. Spices for the stock will be 1 inch square piece of ginger, 1 small size onion cut into quarter, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorn. In a saucepan, take 4 cups of water, add in your spices and let the water boil for nearly 20 to 25 minutes. Here I would like to tell you the measuring cup used for measuring the water and rice should be the same. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention about the oil. Oil I will be using 50 ml and salt will be according to your taste. Now in a pressure cooker, add in your oil and let this get heated. When your oil is heated, we will add in our sliced onions and let it get a nice golden color. Till the times our onion is getting done, see our stock has already started boiling and it is getting a nice and intense and rich flavor. You can smell with the aroma of it. Now add in your remaining spices. Now add in your vegetables. The vegetables will be added according to the time they require to cook. As the carrots and potato take longer to cook, so we have added them first. Here our stock is ready and I am straining the stock as we need only the water and not the spices. Don't forget to keep stirring your vegetables in between. After 3 to 4 minutes of stirring potatoes and carrots, you will add the remaining vegetable, that is the green peas and the capsicum. Friends, if you have green beans on hand, do add your green beans, or else you can just omit them. I always add my green beans. As I am not having them on hand, I have omitted them. Saute this for nearly 3 to 4 minutes so that the vegetables absorb the flavor of spices, and add in your salt so that the vegetables are not bland in taste. Now add in your soaked rice from which all the water has been drained out. Now we will be adding in our stock, the flavored stock. Stir it and let this get a boil so that everything gets combined well. When this has got a boil, we will close the lid and cook for nearly 3 to 4 minutes or 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. This is the time I require to cook. You can always adjust according to your needs. As you can see, my pulao has done and I have not released my pressure manually. Please don't remove the pressure manually or else your rice will just turn soggy. Just look at the rice, my pulao. It has turned so nice and so fluffy and it smells delicious. My house is filled with its aroma. Do try the recipe and do let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with another great recipe. Till then, goodbye.